Hello guys, I'm Salakna and you are watching Style and Stories. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So due to hectic schedule, my skin gets so dull. So today I thought to try something on my face to get a DETAN look. So I thought to share that little method with you as well, so that this could help you as well. So first I have taken a glass bowl. Now I will add this double honey, which is world's number one honey with natural ingredients. Honey helps in hydrates and moisturizes our skin, exfoliates and brightens skin, fades acne scars and hyperpigmentation, and also have anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Now I will add green tea dust. Actually, I have leaves with me, but I had converted those leaves into dust. So you can use the leaves or as well as dust. Green tea reduces inflammation and acne, protects against sun and damage, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and also combating free radicals. Now mixing this two so well to get a thick consistency which will work upon my face so good. Both green tea and honey have anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in fade acne marks and scars, hydrates and plums, gives a plum-looking skin, even skin tone, and brightens our skin. I have mixed these two so well, and now you can see this consistency. Now applying this on my face, covering over areas. You can follow this DIY skincare at home twice in a week to see best results.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy.
Now leave this for 10 to 15 minutes and let it dry. Again back after 10 minutes. So I hope you like the video, and please like, share and subscribe, and comment me below for any queries. See you then. Bye.
This ain't the way it's supposed to be.